Hello YouTube. Today we have to repair this Bontrager cycling shoes. This is the problem. This was a chrome color, but over the time walking around is destroyed. So we have to find a way to fix this. I went to some stores, they couldn't help me, so I took this nail polish that matches with this color, so we will try to repair this. Let's see how it will be. It is looking a bit better from the black. But not perfect. Probably it's not doing anything. It's not fixing the color. I will try one more here at this place, but as you can see, it's not something good here. Probably I have to remove everything and then paint this again at a professional store. Look how it is destroyed here. Totally loss of money. So this time we had a failure. If you have any ideas, comment below how we can fix this very beautiful pair of cycling shoes. Thanks a lot.